Seeking a lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached property in the Blakenhall area of Walsall to rent, please give us a call. We're going to do a walkthrough video tour of this property and we'll show you around. It's ready to go. First person to see it will take it. It's really nice, got some cool features about it, and the best bit is at the back. I'll show you around. Okay, if you follow me. Obviously at the front you can see that there's parking for about comfortably two cars, possibly three. You've got side entrance gate to take your bins in and out, and that's to the garden as well. Okay, a lovely old door. Coming into the entrance hallway, nice big spacious light hallway. Stairs to the first floor. You've got the combination boiler thermostat. A new boiler has been installed at this property only about, where are we now? About 3 months old. And then from here you've got doors going off into the lounge, living room number 2, and front room, living room number 2, and then kitchen. And then you've got an understairs cupboard here where you've got houses the gas meter, the electric consumer unit, and the electric meter as well. Okay, so we'll take you into the front living room, which is over here. A nice good size. You've got kind of telephone ports over there, double socket over here, double socket on that side as well. Open reach master socket. Double radiator. Yeah, good sized room to come in and lounge around in. The other one's kind of like the dining room, come second living room. So coming into this room, this one's facing the garden. Again, you've got a couple of sockets, light point, double radiator. There's a telephone point over there, internet telephone connection. Aerial, this goes out to the sky dish, I think. We'll have a look at the back when we go outside. But yeah, you've just had a glimpse of the rear garden. Really good size, lovely slabbed area. This is the kitchen. Not the biggest kitchen, I'll be honest with you. It's a tiny kitchen, but it's kind of functional because it's got a connected, I'll show you the other side of it. You've got the integrated oven hob, grill on the top, oven at the bottom. You've got that place for the washing machine, and there's another place for an under-counter fridge. I mean, if you did place something over here, then you're blocking the way probably over here. So an under-counter fridge maybe goes just over here. It'll have to be a slimline one if it is. But then I'm trying to find the lights over here. Are the lights over this side? There's a pull cord switch here. So you got the, whilst the camera shows you the WC, I'll open this side out. So this is the additional WC downstairs. I think at some point this was probably outside and it's been brought into the house. Now that's where your fridge freezer would go. I don't know if the camera captures it. So if you want to get a bigger size one, because the under-counter ones, you probably struggle unless you get a slimline one there, then you can get a big size one over here. You can see the electric sockets are there as well, so it's easily just plug and go kind of thing. So that's that, and we'll go out into garden. Okay, so firstly, that was where we were at the front of the house. That's your side gate. Take your bins out. Got, as you can see, all the bins are there. Then you've got this whole slabbed area kind of flowing out into the main area. Good space to entertain guests. You've got kids, barbecue area, and then obviously you've got this lawned area a good size. I'd say about 40-50 yards from the slabbed area down to the bottom. The property even comes with a football. That's a bonus. Probably needs airing, but okay. So if you want to show the back of the house from here. Okay. It's a bitter, cold January, end of January. I think it's going to snow today. Okay, so we'll go up the stairs now. It's all, the decoration's kind of, I'd say it's around 80%, 70-80%. Not the best, not the worst. I mean, it's not fresh and brand new, I would say, except in certain places. We don't have a bulb up here, I'm afraid. We'll start with the little bathroom here, if you want to go in there. Right, so a smallish space, bathroom, but it's practical. You've got the WC, wash and basin, bath, and then you've got the shower as well. So it's plumbed-in shower, controlled by the water is coming out from the combination boiler. So if the camera just pushes out over here, I'll show you where the boiler is. Okay, the boiler is in here. We've got our stationery in there at the moment, but that doesn't come with the house. We've got the combination boilers in there. So that's out of the way. And then if we go into the first bedroom, we've got a coloured light on this one. It's a lampshade. So this property has two double-sized bedrooms. You kind of expect this with a 1930s semi. You get two good-sized rooms and one single size. This is a good space, as you can see. It's got a double radiator on that wall. Double socket over there. So the electrics at some point have been upgraded in this property. So only actually one double socket here. So if you want any more, you'll have to do it with extensions in this room. Okay, no, that's not here. Okay. And then you come across to the second double bedroom. You're more or less ready to kind of go. Anybody who's not looking for showroom kind of standard property, it's in a quiet street in the Blakenhall area of Walsall. Got good kind of transport links into also town centre, Cannock, that side as well, Wolverhampton. Kind of 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Thursday. It's really, really quiet. And this is the smallest room, the small single room. Again, if you kind of have a look, it's not too bad. You know, it's not boxed as in like you can't get a single bed in. You should be able to get a single bed in if you come in this way, and I'll close the door. And you probably get a single bed across here. Maybe a little wardrobe on this side. But ideally this property would suit, we're looking at a couple with maybe 2 children at the most. If they're both sexes, that would be great. They can share the bedroom and this can be like a playroom. It's a family accommodation. We're looking for somebody who's professional, who's in employment. So we'll have an affordability criteria and stuff that you'll have to fulfill. If you are interested in this property, please give us a call. Either the numbers will be in the description at the bottom, and our website address, email, all the contact stuff will be on there. Give us a call and hopefully we'll take you forward to an application and show you around. Thank you. Take care.